The floor muffler installation is very easy. Make sure the subfloor is dry, structurally sound, leveled, and free of debris. Check for protruding nails and any other defects in the floor before installation. Start in the corner and unroll floor mufflers so the film inside is down and the Ultra Seal film can open out toward the room. Run the underlayment at least 2 inches up the wall to allow moisture to dissipate out from under your floor. This excess material will be trimmed after installing your flooring. Once you unroll the first roll, unfold the Ultra Seal film extending it from the foam. Roll out the next roll, making sure that the foam seams are butted together without overlapping. Remove the adhesive liner from the second roll and press firmly to adhere to the Ultra Seal film of the first roll. Repeat these steps until your project is complete. Install your flooring as per the flooring manufacturer's instructions. Once the flooring installation is complete, trim the excess underlayment from the wall. Wow, that was easy! Now you're ready to enjoy your new flooring, your space, your time. The Floor Muffler. It's what's underneath that counts.